Let us solve this problem. Given that E and F are events such that P of E is 0.6, P of F is 0.3, and P of E intersection F is 0.2. Okay, you got to find what is P of E given F and P of F given E. Okay, let us find that. Okay, here the formula for the P of E given F is P of E intersection F by P of F. Okay, so we have P of E intersection F, which is 0.2, and P of F, which is 0.3, which is 2 by 3. Okay, now we formed what is P of E given F, and let us find what is P of F given E. Okay, so again here it is P of uh, F intersection E or E intersection F. Okay, so this will be P of E by P of E, so which is equal to 0.2 and 0.6, which is 2 by 3, 2 by 6, or 1 by 3. Okay, so we got P of uh, F given E. Okay. Now let us have a look at another problem to compute P of A given B, provided P of B is 0.5 and P of A intersection B uh, is 0.32. Okay, so again, P of A given B is P of A intersection B by P of B, which is equal to 0.3 divided by 0.5, which results to 16 by 25. Okay, that's the solution. Now let us solve this problem. Okay, so a coin is tossed 3 times, where E an event, where head on third toss, F another event, heads on first 2 tosses. Okay, let us try to solve this problem. Okay. So we have a sample space. Okay, let us write down, because a coin is tossed 3 times, so just head, head, head. Okay, just write all the possibilities. So the sample space, we have 8 possibilities here. Okay, just 8. Yeah, and the which is the maximum possibility. Now head on third toss. Okay, so let us write down. So it will be head, 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 tail, head, right? And tail, head, head, and tail, tail, head, right? So again, this is 4 such possible. So P of E, probability of the event E, head on third toss, which is 4 by 8. Okay, which is the possible one, right? So further you can simplify it or leave it like that as it is. Okay, and another event F, right? Now this is F heads on first 2 tosses. Okay, so that would be head, head, and head, and tail, right? So again, 2. So probability of F is 2 by 8, right? And now the probability of no E intersection F will be only head, head, and head. Okay, and probability of E intersection F, which is 1 by 8. Okay, hence the probability of E given F is probability of E intersection F by probability of F. So this will be 1 by 8 by 2 by 8. So which is 1 by 2. Yeah. Now let us look up another problem. We have mother, father, and son. Okay. Let us label them as mother as M. Okay. And father as F and son as S. Okay. Now the sample space, which we cannot write as S. Okay, let us label this as A. Okay, so the maximum possibilities here, which is mother, father, son, mother, son, father, and father, mother, son. Okay, and SMF and SFM. Okay, yeah, yeah. Now let us call E as another event where sun on one end. Okay, sun on one end. So this would be MFS, right? Sun on one end. FMS, sun on one end. SMF, this can be on one first, and SFM. Okay, so this is 4. Yeah, and F, another event which is further in the middle. So this would be MFS and SFM. Okay, and this is 2. Okay, so P of F would be 2 by 6. Okay, yeah, and P of E intersection F, yeah, E is intersection F. E intersection F will be um, 2, right? So it is 2 by 6. Right? P of E intersection F is 2 by 6. Okay. So we got to find P of E given F. So which is P of E intersection F by P of F. So when you calculate this, so it'll be 4 by 6. And this is 4 by 6, which is 1, right? This is 4 by 6. Okay. Yeah. So let us make a correction here. Um, so this is 2 by 6 and 2 by 6, which is equal to 1. Let us solve this problem. That is An instruction has a question bank. Let us make it write this given data uh, in a simpler form, that is which can be represented as like this. Okay, so this is a true or false. Okay, and multiple choice, we have multiple choice also. Okay. And the total. Okay. So we have easy, difficult. Okay, and it's total. So easy, which is 300, multiple choice, and difficulty which is 200. Okay, multiple choice is 500, and this is 400. Okay, so easy, which is when you add up, total is 800, and difficult, which is when you add up, this is 600. Okay, so here it is 500 and 900, and this is 1400 in total. Okay, now let us look at the notations. Easy can be written as E. Okay, and multiple choice as M, and we have difficult as D, true and false, okay, and so on, which is T for true or false. Okay, let us represent that. Now it is given that the total number of questions which we found is 1400. That of multiple question is 900. Okay, now hence the probability of selecting easy multiple choice question is given the probability of E intersection M. Okay, uh, which is 500 um, uh, by 1400, and which results to 5 by 40. Now a probability of selecting multiple choice, that is P of M, which is 900 by 900 by 1400, which is 9 by 40. Okay, now the probability of E given M is probability of that is uh, E intersection M by P of M, which is equal to 5 by 14 by 9 by 14, which results to 5 by 9. So that is the solution. Okay. Now let us look at another problem considering uh, a die. Okay, if multiple 3 comes up. Okay, so let us see how such sample space can be written for this. Okay, so S. Okay, that is again 1 comma H, right, and 2 comma H, yeah, and 1 comma T, 1 comma T, right, head and tail, right. So 3 comma 1, right? And we got a sample space here, which is of 36, right? On doing so let A, let us consider this A as the coin, that is, the coin shows tail, right? So which is y is 1 comma t, 2 comma t, 4 comma t, and 5 comma t, right? And let us consider B as 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, and 6 comma 3. Okay, so at least one die shows 3. Okay, now the probability of B, which is this is 6, 7, right? And this is 4. To B is 7 by 36, and A intersection B, which is null set. Okay, and probability of A given B is probability of A intersection B by P of B, which is 0 by 7 by 36, which is 0.